It is a very simple English, and practice makes man perfect, and you have to practice a lot. So let us start this conversation, and after that one by one we will do, because it is our conversational class and we have to do conversation. Okay. First, A is meeting with B, and A and B both are friends. Okay. They are talking about Happy New Year. How we already have spent, and another person is also sharing its problem and even its feelings. Okay. Hello dear, good morning, Happy New Year. Okay. Hello dear, good morning, Happy New Year. Happy New Year, good morning. How was the day? It was fabulous. By the way, what about you? I have enjoyed a lot with my family members and friends. Oh, that's great. Anything else? Because B is asking to A. Yeah, I went to park with all. Any picnic party? No, it was just only entertainment, nothing else. Okay, actually every year, 1st January, we used to go to spiritual places. Next, eating together, because that was a wonderful moment. It was there, but every year we used to do. Then, what A is saying, A felt very happy. Wow, really, it is a great moment when family members and friends support will be there. Exactly. Okay, let me complete my task. We will meet again. Okay, take care. Bye. So with this, we have to complete the conversation, because it is our learning period. Slowly you start to practice regularly, minimum 10 to 15 conversation, then you can speak good English. Okay, let us have our conversational program.